everyone, good evening. It's evening here in the Philippines. Right now I'm going to unbox my birthday gift. So here's my birthday gift. My birthday is coming up. Hold on. How to open this? Here. Peel this off. Ooh. Looks like it's from Walmart because of this tag. I think it's from Walmart. Next is here. Ooh. Ooh. What's this? The strap? The sport band. Open that later. Oh, it's like this. Let me see. Ta-da-da-da, ta-da. My watch. It's my watch. It's, I think this is Series 6. Series 6. Yep, gold aluminum case. Pink sand sport band. I'm gonna open the band. Where to open this here? There's the arrow. There you go. And then yeah. So this is, oh, this is medium large. This is small medium. Medium large, small medium. I'm gonna take the small and this. So you can change it to medium or large. You see? This is 40 mm. I think I'll just rip it off. I think. Do I have to rip it off or slide it down? Hold on. Trying to be careful. I wonder if this is charged. Yay! I'm not gonna turn it on yet because I'm not sure if, I think I like putting this one here on this side. Put the band. Yep. And the other band. I think that's it. There. Ooh! Ooh! Now, hold on. I need to remove this magnetic thing. The cover of the magnetic thing. Oops. Hold on. Oops, wrong turn, Clyde. This way. Hold on a second. It's giving me a hard time. There you go. It's a sport band. I'm going to put it here. I think, yep. I think it's too tight, but I think I like it that way. I'm not turning it on yet because I think I have to charge this for, let me see. I'm going to download, and this is my extra band. I like this because it will just, it's a magnetic thing. I'll just do it like this and it's magnetic. I have extra lightning USB, extra, and I have this protective bumper, so if I will bump it anywhere, it's protective. So as this one, protective bumper for 40mm Apple Watch. Yep. So how about this? Oh, this is the adapter, and there's one more here. There's my charger. See, it's magnetic one. I have my old charger too, and that's the extra. Yep, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. God bless you all.